These are schooner battery operated lights. They have many different types of designs that they're going through. If you're interested in these, check online for further detail, and we're going to show you what you get inside the box and what this is all about. These are RGBW schooners, battery operated, remote control. Change the different colors, opening up the product, showing you what it looks like. Check online for further details about your products and the sizes they come in. Nicely packaged and everything laid out for you. Some assembly is required. You have here is your brackets and screws and anchors. An instruction guide with the remote control. Your light fixture frames. And the hardware to run the unit. Opening up the box, you have some magnets, self-adhesives. You have your lights packaged nicely. You have your cable, chargers, 3 of them. Your remote control that has a built-in battery that is removable and replaceable. Remember to move the tab located here. And some self-adhesives. To install, not that difficult. What you're going to do is take the bracket. You're going to lock it into the little clips on each of the sides. And you're going to see the bends over here. The holes match up. And then you have this piece goes to the inner side of the top. And you're going to lock them in again to the clips on each of the sides the best you can. You have 2 of them to build. You see how they clip in, the little white tabs. And then you have Velcro that will close up. And there you have your light, done. This is a self-adhesive magnet. You're going to take the bottom, stick it on. You're going to then take the product, I'm going to show you this way, and it sticks on. It goes on the inside like so. Then you're going to go hang this up, and whenever you need to recharge, you simply reach in, pull out, and charge over. With the hardware kit and the bracket holder, that's how you hang it. This is the light's backing. A little twist, they come off. Little twist, they lock. You have your USB cable that plugs in to charge your unit. In order for these to work for the first time, they must be charged. So grab your cables. You have a red indicator that is charging, and they will light up. The unit's in charging state. The remote control has an off and on. The mode changes. RGB color, the white. This is the different of the increments of light levels and your timers. We have our schooners. It's going to just simply hook up, hang, already on the wall. Very simple to do. All set up. We take our lights and we just slide them down, fit them in. They're held on by a magnet. Now you can see how they won't fall off. You can simply put them in from the bottom and reach in. And you have the remote control to turn the lights on. I'm going to shut the lights off so you get an idea what the lights look like. From a distance, I could turn the lights on and shut them off. individually or turn both on at the same time, all by the remote control. I could brighten them up, dim them down. Just make sure they're all pointed at the correct ones, and then just have them change its colors on its own. The lights do a good job. Pick the colors you like to light up your room. Put them on a timer. Change the settings to which ones you want for the mood of the room and the time of night and day. I hope this is a product that you are looking for your battery-operated schooner needs. Enjoy your product if this is what you are after.